Hi, everybody. Our first thing that we really want to think about is how are we going to represent musical objects, music on a computer? So let's start with maybe one of the most fundamental things, and that is pitch. So in a score based class, we might represent pitch with a score and we write notes on it. I guess then we assign it to a variable. Well, that's not going to work. Um, okay, so we take a frequency and we assign that to a variable. Well, I'm not exactly sure how to do that either. Um, maybe we just assign a variable to a particular number representing a frequency or to a string representing a pitch. Okay. First thing I want you to do is take 5 minutes, no more than that, and jot down some notes on how you might represent pitch on a computer very naively.